I got the second little soursop starting. Beauty. I'll get those ants out of there. Put all the fuzz on and start farming aphids, and before you know it, it'll have a big kink in that side of the fruit. And then my other one over here, the first one, that's coming along pretty good. I'm waiting for the next stuff there. And let's see, these chocolates are full on. These are full on now. There's no aborting at this point. These things are huge. They look, immediately to me, they look like a hybrid between the yellows and reds. But what I noticed with the chocolate, the Theobroma chocolates, is, you know, look at these little branches here you want to pop off. I believe you want to pop off. But anyway, I noticed that if they put red leaf, they're probably a red pod. If they put green leaf, they're probably a green pod, or a yellow pod. I'm not even probably, I'm like 90% sure that seems to be the theme that's going on here. See, oh yeah, look at these guys. These might be yellows with just a red blush. It's been aborting a bunch, but you know, they're starting to get pretty big. And mind you, these trees are 2.5 years old. The Cuban reds are throwing racks. Let's see, what was the other tree that had a couple going? Oh yeah, this baby. This baby right here. Look at that. I think these might set. These look like they stand a good chance of setting. So, you know, it's like three of our trees. This one over here, that one tried to, that was the first one to try and fruit, but hasn't tried again. And then this is the most robust tree, and it's flowered a whole bunch. Made a couple tiny little attempts. Yeah, see, there's flowers happening. I was putting flowers pretty far up too, but yeah, Vince, I think it's gonna do. Yeah, see, like it's trying right there. Kind of trying. I think that's gonna abort. It'll do it. It's just the first couple of years. Anyway, that's how the chocolate's doing. Hope that was fun. Aloha.